Lack of responsibility. The true tragedy of poverty. Poor individuals often remain oblivious to the concept of responsibility. They not only shirk responsibility towards society but also towards friends and family. What's even more pitiful is their attempt to absolve themselves of all responsibility with a single word: poor. In the real world, in any country, such selfish behavior is neither legally nor morally acceptable. This is not just about the challenges of their daily lives, it's a lamentable manifestation of entrenched thinking. This mindset not only impacts them but also directly influences the next generation, perpetuating this cycle of poverty. In reality, society cannot tolerate this attitude of evading responsibility. The true tragedy of impoverished individuals lies not in their material struggles but in the stubbornness of this mindset. It's like a poisonous weed spreading, affecting the overall health of society. Poverty is not merely a lack of financial resources, it's a deficiency of responsibility, a generation after generation inheritance of ignorance, making poverty an endless and vicious cycle.